vlogging tonight. Oh, look at my kids. Rocket! Hi, guys! Happy yung baby ko. Hey Lola, parang may-ari ng isang Lola. Lola ko po. Let me show you how to do it, okay? You go here. Go. Do it. There, okay. Now, let's go, Rocket. You can do it, anak. Come here. Come here, Rocket. You can do it. Moon. Let's go, Kuya. Let's go!
Let's go!
Hoy, andito na tayo, guys. Arrival of the Fetus. Hi! Oh, Mr. Welcome day. Yan. Now we're here. Lalabas lang namin ng airport. Palabas pa lang pala kami ng airport. Samahan nyo kami, guys. Ma-action tong araw na to. Welcome to our home. Hong Kong. Hi. Kasya yan dyan, pre?
Oh, Kapal style.
Hong Kong style, bye! Ito sila, bye bye! Dito nga pala ako.
Don't give a gas dito.
Hi, sure. Hong Kong style. Nakasakay na kami ng taxi, guys, and we're heading to cable car. Bunyan man. There you go. Sure. Thank you so much, Anton.
Masaya to. All together?
Yeah.
It was last Tuesday.
Thank you, Anton. Ayan o.
Nasa airplane na tayo.
Mali na kapag airplane ko, mas nasa ibabaw kayo. Ano pag nilapag sa
Kasi magdahil sa
pag nilapag
Apo ang gabi, sa bawang galaw.
Wala namang epekto eh. Kaya kailangan maglakad ako. Kaya yun. Ang pain basic. Pinagalit na ako dun. Yung picture kita, wala kayo picture.
Yo man, let's go. You're in the vlog right now. There you go.
Next building is tallest in Hong Kong.
Really? That
Yeah,
one?
That one, yes.
The gray?
Yeah, the second one is this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
The next one is Hang Hong Sai.
Okay. Labas lang muna tayo guys. Pili tayo ng mga streets ng HK man. Kumusta kayo dyan? What up people? Siyempre walang kamatayang 7 Evelyn.